Hey there, my friends. I'm getting my Soviet divisional artillery ready for my Soviet display, so I'm going to make a little Soviet battle scene diorama. But I'm doing this little MASTERBOX Jim Jameson Outlaw with it. And it's a really cool little kit. This is the whole kit, so this is the box here. And it's in the Outlaw series if you're into cowboys. I got another one. And there's 3 in the series by MASTERBOX, so that comes with it as well. So that's the first one. And then there's that one. And then there's another one that I don't have, which is Pedro Gonzalez or something. So this is what you get for the second kit. And they're not expensive. I think they retail at about 17 Australian dollars a packet. But often they're on special because no one buys them, so I got this for 10. But it's one of the most detailed figures and horses that I've sort of got by MASTERBOX. It's really high quality. That's why I'm tempted to really get into the Indian Wars stuff and all that kind of thing, because he goes all out with this stuff. But it looks pretty good, doesn't it? Like, and I've done the big challenge. I've built it all up and I'm going to paint it all as one piece. And this is nowhere near finished. I'm just working on it slowly. There he goes. Sorry. The detail in the face is amazing. I'm really looking forward to getting to that part of it. He's got long hair. But that's Jim Jameson. Look at these horses there. These are the first 2. So it's 4 pulling along the Zis cannon. So these 2 are a team. And I've got a Zis 2 there. So I'm going to put some camouflage on that. It's all coming along well. And the soldiers. That's for one of the cannons. I've got a heap more soldiers to build yet. God damn, a lot of soldiers. They're not easy. Just trying to work out how to make them look really realistic. So doing a lot of experiments and all that. But he is not finished yet, just still working away. Time, takes time, be patient. Alright guys, thank you very much, and I'll keep working on everything.